In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send a connection request on LinkedIn, a skill that is essential for expanding your professional network. Let us dive into the process and walk through each step together to ensure you become a pro at this. First, you will need to open your web browser. If you have not done this already, type in LinkedIn.com into the address bar. This will take you straight to LinkedIn's website. Once you are there, you will see options to log in. You have a couple of choices for logging in. If you have linked your Google or Microsoft account with LinkedIn, you can sign in using those credentials. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password combination. It is important to keep your LinkedIn login secure, so if you have enabled two-factor authentication, you might be prompted here to further verify your identity. LinkedIn will send a verification code to your registered phone number, and you will need to enter that code to proceed. This step is crucial for securing your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you will find yourself on LinkedIn's main homepage. Now, let us navigate through LinkedIn to find your newsletters, which is a feature some of you might be using. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will notice a navigation menu. Here, you will want to look for the section labeled Newsletters. Click on this to proceed to your newsletter page. Once you have arrived at this section, things get a bit more interesting. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You will notice a small icon with 3 dots. It is often referred to as a More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will give you access to a variety of additional options related to your newsletter. From the drop-down menu that appears, keep an eye out for an option labeled Copy Link to Share. Selecting this option will copy a link directly to your clipboard. This particular link is your newsletter subscription link, and it is incredibly useful for sharing. Once you have it copied, you can paste this link wherever you need, whether that is in an email to potential subscribers or on your social media platforms. This way people can easily subscribe to your newsletter with just a click. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to share the subscription link for your LinkedIn newsletters. By following these steps, you will effortlessly expand your reach and connect with a wider audience interested in your content. Keep practicing. And soon, sending connection requests and sharing newsletter links will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining me today, and have fun building your professional connections on LinkedIn.